Hello guys, this is Yuji's Kitchen and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make red velvet puff puff. You guys need to try this one out. It's so good and yummy. If you're new here, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification button to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So let's get into the cooking process. So for the ingredients, you'll be needing flour, sugar, salt, cocoa powder, yeast, milk, red velvet coloring. I'm using the powdered one. And you also be needing condensed milk flavor, which is optional. You can actually do without it in this recipe. And I'll also be using vanilla flavor. These ingredients can be easily found in the supermarkets. So I'm going to start by sieving my flour. It is very important that you sieve your flour. This will help to incorporate air into your flour and to also help to get rid of dirt and insects that may be found in your flour. So I'm going to add my cocoa powder and I'm going to sieve this too. So cocoa powder helps to give your red velvet batter that vibrant red velvet color, and it also adds a lot of flavor to your red velvet batter. Whether you're doing puff puff or red velvet cake, cocoa powder is very important in red velvet, anything red velvet. Yeah. Next, I'm going to add in my baking powder. Then add in the rest of the ingredients, your yeast, salt, milk, coloring and sugar. Now stir till all the ingredients are well incorporated. Now I'm just going to add my vanilla into my water. I'm going to add a tablespoon of vanilla. Stir properly to combine. Next, transfer your flour into a bowl, a mixing bowl. Then proceed to add your water and vanilla mixture. You have to add your water gradually till you get the right consistency. Mix well to combine. So just keep adding water until you get your desired consistency. I think I prefer to mix this with my hand, so I'm just going to use my hand to mix it properly. So you're just going to mix this. Make sure your batter is not runny. You just want to have a smooth batter. It shouldn't be runny, it shouldn't be watery. If you have a glove, it's best to use a glove to mix this because the red velvet coloring may stain your hand, but you can easily wash it after. So I'm really taking my time to show you guys how I'm mixing this because a lot of people make mistake when making puff puff. They make mistake of pouring so much water. That's why I'm taking time to show you every step in this mixing. So you can see how I added my water gradually till I got to my desired consistency. So when you're making puff puff, you don't just add water like a full cup of water. You just have to add it gradually till you get your desired consistency. So this is the consistency we want for our puff puff. This is the right consistency. Next, I'm going to cover this up with a foil paper. You can use anything to cover it up. just place it in one place like your microwave or your oven. Please don't on your microwave or oven, just place it there and leave it to rise for 1 hour. So it's 1 hour already and our batter is ready for frying. Now make sure your oil is very hot, like it has to be very hot before you put in your puff puff. If it's not hot enough, the puff puff will not float and it will suck oil and it won't have a good shape. So it's important for you to make sure you heat your oil well before putting in your puff puff. And another thing you need to ensure is that you don't overcrowd your pan. When frying puff puff, you don't overcrowd your pan. Overcrowding your pan can affect the shape of your puff puff, so make sure you don't do that. Now some people may be thinking that the red velvet coloring may affect the color of the oil. No, it's not going to affect the color of your oil. It's just like you're frying your normal puff puff, so you don't have anything to worry about. So you're going to fry this till it's done. I'm not going to say you should fry it till it's golden brown because this is not the normal puff puff. When it's done, you'll know from the look, so you don't have to allow it to burn before you know that it's done already. So just watch it and you'll know when the puff puff is ready. Now our puff puff is ready. This is what your puff puff should look like when it's done. You can see that I didn't allow it to burn, so just take it out. If you want to get the quantity of ingredients I use for this recipe, please check the description box below. And please, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I really hope you like this video and I hope you try this recipe. I'm going to show you what it looks like now after frying. You guys really need to try this out. It's so yummy and delicious. Thanks for watching.